Bonowi FlexShield is a compact, flexible shield designed to be easily stored and quickly deployed in emergencies. The FlexShield comes equipped with 2 handles and 2 arm loops, as well as a removable shoulder strap that can be set up for both right and left-handed users. Additional upgradable NIJ Level III ballistic rifle plates can be easily installed in the overlapping front panel pockets for additional ballistic protection. The FlexShield comes equipped with NIJ Level IIIA soft ballistics and Bonowi's patented airframe system that allows the shield to be made rigid using a CO2 integrated inflation system. To inflate the airframe, open the valve cover and insert the CO2 cartridge. Turn the cartridge 90 degrees clockwise so the green indicator is facing up. Firmly pull the red handle to actuate the release valve. Excess air may escape from the pressure relief valve. To deflate the system, push the cartridge release button forward and turn the empty CO2 cartridge 90 degrees counterclockwise and remove from the air valve. You can increase the protective coverage of the FlexShield by adding additional shields. Simply connect them using the FlexShield's integrated connection system. Place the shields top to bottom, overlapping the bottom of the upper shield over the top portion of the lower shield. Connect the male and female buckles on the front of the shield. Turn the shields over, then using the zipper, connect the back of the shields together.